How to add stickers to your story on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add stickers to your story on Instagram. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Instagram. Now click on your story and choose a picture. For example, I choose this one. Now click on the sticker icon beside the text icon. Now, to find the stickers you want, just click on search, and if you don't like those stickers, all you need to do is type the category of stickers you want, the type of stickers, like for example heart, and you're gonna find a lot of stickers that describe what I want. Now all you need to do is click on your story and you're gonna post your story with the stickers you choose. This is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.